Okay, made it to Surigao City. Now I'm gonna first look for a ticket to get back to the island before I go to the immigration. I don't know if you can hear me because of this mask, but okay. Woo, there was some tight security over there. And on the exit, when the guys saw my passport, they were all yelling at me, immigration, immigration, immigration. And I know they're more expensive, but I don't see jeepneys. But first I need to buy a ticket to get back.
8 until 3.
10. Is there one for 10?
No.
What's that? 10 a.m.
Dapat 8 AM.
Oh, it's a beautiful lady.
Wow.
Wow.
Very beautiful. Okay, so I've made it to the mall where the Bureau of Immigration is in. I'm just waiting for them to open. It's about 15 minutes wait, and then I'll go extend my visa. Okay, so I came here to the Jollibee, which is just at the entrance of the immigration. I got some takeaways for later, and I also got the same as I got the other day. The rice, chicken, spaghetti noodle, and the patty. So excited for this, man. Almost forgot about the rice. And I just dipped that over the rice. Gravy of some kind. Take a bite of the chicken. I actually think the chicken I had last night was even better than this. This doesn't taste as good as I remember it. Look, the spaghetti even has sausage in it. Okay, that was pretty good. It's done now. I'm gonna head back and see if I can get on the next boat back to Surigao. The GB now, heading to the port. When is the next boat to Surigao?
Surigao, sir, we don't have
No? Tomorrow?
Yes.
No! When is the next boat to Surigao? Okay, thank you. When?
11:30.
Okay. How much?
300. On board time right now.
Right now. back home now. I'm so worn out. I think I'm gonna end this video here. Hit that like button if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Then I guess I'll see you tomorrow, bro.